Google Scholar to Mendeley. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search bar at the top of the window. Then type Google Scholar into the search bar. Press Enter on your keyboard to begin the search. After that, the search results will appear on the screen. Scroll through the results until you find the official website of Google Scholar. Once you find the official website, click it to open the page. After the Google Scholar website loads, click the search bar on the page. Type the title of the article you want to find into the search bar. Press Enter on your keyboard to search for the article. The website will show a list of articles related to the keywords you entered. Then scroll through the results carefully to find the article you are looking for. When you find the correct article, download the article you want to your computer. After the file has finished downloading, the next step is to open the Mendeley application on your computer. When the Mendeley application opens, enter your email and password in the login fields. Then press Enter on your keyboard to log into your account. After you successfully enter the application, look at the top left corner of the window and click Add References. A menu will appear with several options for adding files. From the available options, click Import File to add a document from your computer. After you click Import File, a file browser window will open. Use this window to find the article file that you downloaded earlier from Google Scholar. Navigate through your folders until you locate the downloaded article. Once you find the correct file, click the file to select it. Then click Open to continue the process. After you click Open, the file will be imported automatically into your Mendeley library. The article will now appear in your list of references inside the application. Next, click the file that you downloaded earlier from the list of references. After selecting the file, find the Read option in the application interface. Click Read to open the article. Once you click Read, the article will open inside Mendeley, and you will be able to view and read the document directly within the application interface without leaving the program.